Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MySHELL token. Ticker symbol is SHELL. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on the MySHELL token and talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you haven't tried WEEX yet, I put a referral code up there, that QR code in the corner of the screen. And I put a referral code down there in the description box. WEEX is a very cool brand new central exchange. Has tons of new user incentives, bonuses, things like that. Events that you could check out. So if you don't have a WEEX account, check out WEEX. But this token right here, the MySHELL token, just got listed today on another big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get the MySHELL token, and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. This SHELL token has already been listed for futures and adjustable leverage up to 50 times on MEXC as well. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search SHELL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So tons of other big tokens got listed today on MEXC as well, like the Ask Jimmy token, a whole bunch of Binance Smart Chain dog meme coins that are very popular today. So make sure you check all of those out. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, at MySHELL_AI. Has a link to their Discord there and their webpage, myshell.ai. You can see they have a huge following, 212,000 Twitter followers. So it says, MySHELL is a decentralized AI consumer layer connecting consumers, AI agent creators, and open source researchers. MySHELL begins as an egalitarian platform where anyone can create, share, and monetize their AI agents. Looking ahead, it will evolve into a shared ecosystem driven by an open network value. MySHELL is advancing towards a consumer layer that unlocks boundless creativity and potential. Now, the rise of artificial intelligence has given birth to a notable phenomenon, the closed source model ecosystem led by OpenAI, and these powerful yet proprietary models offer users advanced applications and services for complex data analysis and human-computer interactions. However, behind their impressive capabilities is lesser-known costs, like lack of incentives, centralization, value deprivation, and excessive restrictions. So the vision behind MySHELL was born from a deep reflection on the current AI landscape. Our vision is to create a fair and open ecosystem where every participant can find their unique value proposition. At MySHELL, we advocate for the decentralized AI, including open source models. We contribute to the AI industry growth by championing open source models with a vibrant community of contributors, driving the prosperity of AI technology. Ecosystem incentives, so a comprehensive incentive mechanism which stimulates the vitality and innovative potential across our entire ecosystem. Value redistribution, so we ensure creators and users rightfully benefit from their data and creations through the equitable value redistribution and free choice. So users and developers enjoy the freedom to choose from different AI models, eliminating dependence on or monopolization by a single model. And this autonomy extends by to selecting decentralized computing and storage solutions. So the core components of MySHELL's ecosystem. So MySHELL ecosystem is built on 3 core components to realize our vision. Number 1 is self-developed open source AI models. So we've independently developed several open source AI models, including text-to-speech and large language models. Additional existing technologies will be progressively open source and made available for integration. Also, number 2, an open AI agent development platform. So MySHELL empowers individuals to build AI agents effortlessly. Our platform allows creators to leverage different models and integrate external APIs, enabling third-party providers to offer their services for developer use. With native development workflows and modular toolkits, creators can rapidly transform their ideas into functional AI agents, accelerating innovation. Also, fair value distribution ecosystem. So creators earn commercial value when their agents are used, but also receive native platform incentives. They can even secure funding from patrons. Moreover, once the MySHELL ecosystem integrates with permissionless blockchain for global liquidity access, creators will unlock extensive financialized benefits, amplifying the potential of AI agents. At MySHELL, we believe every contribution is essential to our ecosystem, and every innovation deserves recognition and rewards. We invite you to join this revolution and collectively build a new AI era where opportunities are open to all. Together, let's create an equitable future driven by open collaboration and shared success. So MySHELL in a nutshell. So it says here they have a quick start guide. So it says MySHELL hosts thousands of AI agents crafted by our creators, offering unique capabilities, and these span emotional companions with distinct personalities, role-playing games that transport you into different worlds, learning coaches to guide you in educational journeys, and working assistants to boost your productivity. So they show you on their document section, docs.myshell.ai, how to create an AI agent. You can explore the AI agents. There's the open source AI framework SDK, reward and token economy, all sorts of information you can find there. MySHELL.ai is the webpage where you can find all sorts of other links. And you can find this token newly listed as of today on MEXC Global. So check it out on MEXC. Links are down below. Make sure you check out WEEX, very cool, brand new central exchange that has all sorts of cool features. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.